Hello guys, and welcome to Top 4 channel. Google is the most popular search engine that people use to search for different sorts of things, as some use it to search for news for specific facts, and others are looking to find solutions or answers, and you can actually find everything in there. For example, funny videos, animal images, tutorial, just everything. But what if I told you that you could also make money online with Google? Sounds interesting, right? There is this kind of website that will pay you the search on Google, and in this video I'm going to show you step-by-step methods on how you will be able to make money online just by searching on Google. And what I love the most about this strategy is that it's absolutely free, and you don't need to invest any of your money. All you need to have is a computer, laptop, or a smartphone, and an internet connection, and it doesn't matter which country you're from, as it's available to anyone all around the world. So make sure not to skip any parts and watch this video until the end, because every step I teach you is very important amount of money. You can turn this method into passive income if you just do this over and over again. Don't worry, you don't need to spend 8 or 10 hours a day to do this, as it will only take a few minutes of your time, and it's so easy that you don't even need to have any special skills to get started. Now let me introduce you the website you will be using for the new strategy that I'm about to show you. I need you to go to a browser and fill in mindsuma.com. Once you are on that website, don't skip watching this tutorial video, as when you go to that website and try to figure things out on your own, then you will get confused because you don't know how to really make money with this site. Therefore, just keep on watching this video. Also, we'll show you a step-by-step on how to make money with mindsuma.com. Just follow me now. When scrolling down a bit, then you can see that mindsuma has been working with the biggest companies around the world. This only shows that this site is legit and trustworthy. They have been working with Coca-Cola, Target, Amazon, Spotify, Disney, Yahoo, Microsoft, Starbucks, Pepsi, Johnson & Johnson, Adidas, and so much more. These are the biggest companies in the world. You will be able to make so much money with this website, and all you need to do is just sign up with a free account. To do that, just click on this button here where it says sign up. After doing that, you will see this pop up where you need to click on this blue text here where it says don't have an account yet. Once you have done that, then you will need to fill in your first name, last name, your location as your country, your email address, and create the password. Then just add your birth date and the selector gender, and here we'll need to rate your creativity, marketing, and technical skills. On target skills, I would recommend choosing between average proficiency or above average proficiency. It actually depends on how much money you would like to make. I would just choose average proficiency, and then next I would select any of these three here, as you really don't want to receive spam emails. I would just select these three ones only in here, and you can also read their terms and conditions and privacy policy if you'd like. After that, confirm that you're not a robot by clicking here, and then just click on the sign up button here, and now you have a brand new account at mindsuma. But before we continue with this video, comment down below from which country you're from, and that way I will know exactly where I'm from, so in the future I can make sure that every single video I release is meant for you. So drop your country's name in the comments down below. Once you have an account, then you can log in. You can now scroll down a bit, and then you can see all these different projects and challenges here for which you can get paid by completing them. As you can see here, they are paying from hundreds of dollars to thousands of dollars, and on the left side of the website you could see different challenges that are listed by skills. There are new projects and challenges being added every day, so this means you'll have enough topics and categories to choose from. And of course, to make a decent money, would now like to demonstrate how you would be able to make money with some of the projects on this website. I would just choose this project here. Here's the assignment of the project that you'll need to do. Now here you will be able to see how much money people will be able to make with this project, and how many people have submitted their answers, and how much time you have left to submit yours. And when scrolling down a bit, you could see what they are actually expecting from you. So this means you just need to follow these rules here to do the project, and then just submit it. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video, but now I'd like to show you this Google trick that you can use to make money with this website. First, I want you to copy this headline over here and then go to google.com and paste it into the search bar. After that, you will see these results. Here you can look over all these articles. I will just open this one, and here you need to make sure that the text matches with the headline, as the text must answer to your project's headline. I think this text is perfect, as it's actually what I'm looking for, and this site also looks very professional. Once you have found your text, then you'll need to edit it. To do that, just go back to Google and search for Google Docs. Here it is, just click on it, then choose the blank text here. Now go back to the article and copy the whole text. Keep in mind, the longer your answer is, the more money you can make. And once you have copied the article, then go back to Google Docs and paste it there. Now you can edit the article. You can rewrite some of the parts you want, change some words, or delete the text that isn't needed. You can also change the color of the text, make it bigger or smaller. As you can see, it is totally customizable, and everything is so easy. You just need to go to Google, search for the answer on Google, and then edit the text in Google Docs. And once you are done, then you can just go to File in here and select Download and save it into PDF document to your computer or smartphone. It's just as simple as that. You can then open the document, and this is how it will look, and it looks so professional and nice. After that, you can go back to Zuma and submit your project. This amount over here will be shared between all the participants. As you could see, all of this was so easy. All you need to do is just search the answer on Google, edit the text in Google Docs, and submit it. On this website here, where it says I have an idea, then fill in all this information and submit your idea, and you will have a chance of earning hundreds or even thousands of dollars. This sword just took a few minutes of your time, and it was really easy to do. Just use this Google trick I showed you and submit the answer to this website. And you can even make this as a passive income if you just repeat this method over and over again. Thank you for watching, and that's it. And make sure to subscribe and click on the notification bell. Also hit the like button, and I'll see you in the next video.